Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. कैसे हैं सभी? Today I am going to explain on a topic monsoon seasons. So in monsoon seasons, there in the climate of India, our climate, Indian climate is divided into two, that is the southwest monsoon and the northeast monsoon. Southwest monsoon brings essential for agricultural economy of the country, and the northeast monsoon is mainly responsible for spell of dryness of the northeastern region, but except the southeastern peninsula. Between the two, there are two transitional seasons. The seasons are the seasons of the southeast monsoon and the retreating monsoon. Southeast monsoon and the retreating monsoons, and who is bringing the winter season. Thus, this year is conventionally divided into the four seasons. First one is the cold weather season, and then second one is the hot weather season, and then third is the southwest monsoon season, and fourth one is the retreating monsoon seasons. Now we need to know that the this 4 month, the division of these seasons is remain in which year, in which month. So the first one is the cold weather season. The cold weather season is the time period is from December to February. This season is called cold weather seasons. And then second one is the hot weather season, which is remain for March, April, May, for 3 months. This season is the hot weather seasons. Then the southeast monsoon seasons. The southeast monsoon seasons remains for June, July, August, September, for 3 months. June, July, August, September, 4 months. This 4 month is the southeast monsoon seasons. Then the retreating monsoon seasons, it's a famous retreating monsoon season. So this month is from the monsoon season October to November, remain only for 2 months. Now we need to know what is about all this season. So now the cold weather seasons. What is this cold weather seasons? Cold weather seasons bringing in the early December and to the last of the February. This season is the cold weather season. When we observe in the season, that is during the cold, what happened there, the temperature is remain cold, winter season is there, so these are cold weather season. Okay, the mean monthly temperature here is less than 10 degree to 12 degree Celsius. In the cold weather seasons, their temperature is 10 degree to 12 degree Celsius, and then minimum temperature is much below this. Maximum is 10 degree to 12 degree Celsius, and minimum is much below this. Means it may it may remain to lower than that temperature. Okay, then what happened over North India? The winds are westerly. In the northeastern India, their winds are westerly. Westerly wind and easterly wind. These two types of winds are there. In the northwestern India, these are westerly. Over central India, northerly, and over peninsular India, and northeasterly. Okay, so this about the cold weather season. Now also, what is this? Happened in the light northeasterly winds blow over the Brahmaputra and Kasar Valley, and northerly and northwesterly over the rest of the eastern India. So these winds are blow over the Brahmaputra and also the Kasar Valley. Okay, so these are cold weather season. And also consult with another book also, so for the mass knowledge of this topic. Okay, so now about the another one is the hot weather season. What is the hot weather season? During the hot weather season, what happened? This I already said that the March, April, May, and this period is known as the March to May. This period is known as hot weather season. And in the hot weather season, what happened? The temperature decreases in the southeastern India. Here in the southeastern India, temperature decreases. And then the now need to know the maximum temperature. The maximum temperature is 38 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. Their average temperature, maximum temperature. And then there what happened, that the predominant wind direction in North India from the west, and the northeast west, and in the Rajasthan from the southeast. So some direction is there for blowing of the wind. These are known as hot weather season. Then southwest monsoon season is important. And so what happened in the I going to attach one map for your understanding, that is about that the whole seasons. Okay, these 4 seasons. Now about the southeast monsoon seasons. What is the southeast monsoon season? Again, southeast monsoon season is from the month of southeast monsoon season is June to September. This month, June, July, August, September, 3-month period is there. June, July, August, September. This period is southeast monsoon season. And what happened in the southeast monsoon season? That the extend from western Rajasthan to western Rajasthan to Bay of Bengal, and there this area is low pressure. The air is thick in the form of Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Their air is thick to the Arabian Sea, which in the, if we assume the India map, that is the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, we can imagine. So their air is thick over there. And then the southeast trade wind of the northeastern hemisphere also joined the air circulation over the India as a southwesterly winds. Then what happened? The southwest monsoon burst on the coast of Kerala in the first week of June. The southwest monsoon bring rainfall to the Kerala and the first week of June. This first week of June is considered as a blessings for this area, and then slowly it extends north wind, and by the end of the month it is usually spread over most of the country. So this is the southwest monsoon season. Then orographic feature. Orographic feature is one of the important features. Orographic features have a pronounced effect on the flow of monsoon winds and distributions of rainfall. This orographic feature is very important for the distributions of rainfall. Then another one is the retreating monsoon season, that is also called the post monsoon season. The period is October to November. What happened in the October to November? In the October to November, what happened? This period is in this period, what happened? Retreating monsoon seasons. What happened there? By the end of the September, the southwest monsoon become weak as the low pressure through of the Ganga plain start moving southward in response to the southwest march of the sun. Means here southwest monsoon become weak because of the low temperature in the retreating monsoon seasons. Then it moves over Karnataka, where now this winds blow over the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and early November. Their movement is during the early November. Okay, by the middle of the December, the center of the low pressure is completely removed from the peninsula. In the middle of the November, in the middle of the December, sorry, not November, middle of the December, the low pressure completely removed and removed from the peninsula. After removing this, what happened? The change began in early October and is completed in early December to October and November. Thus, is a period of transition leading to the condition of dry winter. And because of the removal of this remove from the peninsula region, completely dryness occur, and it create condition of dry winter. In winter become dry winter. Okay. Then what happened? The retreating southwest monsoon season is marked by the dry weather in North India, but is associated with rain in the eastern part of the peninsula. In the eastern part of peninsula, it somehow is able to give the rain there. Okay, so in what happened? The October and November are the often rainiest month in the year. We know that October month and November month. Now it's September, October and November. After the 2 months, this period will be retreating monsoon season, and it is the one of the rainy season of the year. And a few cyclonic storms also strike the coast of Bay of Bengal and Bangladesh and Myanmar. After that, what happens? Some of the few cyclones remain there, mainly in the region like area like West Bengal, Bangladesh and Myanmar. So cyclone storms are less frequent in the Arabian Sea, but the cyclones are less in the Arabian Sea. And one thing I going to explain there, that the in cyclone names are there, so many names on the basis of the names. This when the cyclones are there, like Hudhud, Fani, these are some of the name of cyclones, and they are already mentioned their name in the before the coming of this cyclone. Before the coming of the cyclone, their already name is given by the special authority. Okay. Now, what happened in the retreating monsoon season in Assam and West Bengal? The winds are easterly, while in East Rajasthan and they are northerly. So I am from Assam. So in Assam, what happened? There Assam in winds are easterly wind, and they are East Rajasthan, they are northerly. in northern part of the peninsula they are from the north and the northeast, in the middle and the south they are from the northeast and the east. So wind directions are there and we need to know about this wind's direction, that is the easterly wind, westerly wind, prevailing wind, trade wind. These are very much important. Then what happened, the rainfall from the retreating monsoon winds therefore is less than the preceding monsoons and the distribution of rainfall is much irregular during the season. So the retreating monsoon season distribution of rainfall is much irregular. So this much about the topic, the monsoon seasons. This is a monsoon seasons is a very important topic. So I have given this topic today. So thank you so much. Take care and bye bye, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.